One night with olive oil and honey in this way, and what happened was unbelievable. And you will truly be surprised by what this mixture can offer your body in terms of real health support. It's not magic nor a miraculous recipe, it is simply a natural interaction between ingredients that science has proven each to have important benefits when used correctly. Before we start, click like if you have tried honey or olive oil before, and let us see how interested you are in this type of content. And if you are joining us for the first time, welcome! Subscribe and activate the notification bell so you receive everything new. Welcome back! Mixing olive oil with honey represents a kind of smart nutritional union, combining the healthy fatty acids and strong antioxidants in olive oil with the natural enzymes and compounds found in honey. This balance doesn't only change the texture, but it changes the way the body benefits from each component. Extra virgin olive oil contains high levels of polyphenols, which are compounds known for their antioxidant effects. And the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry published a study showing that polyphenols help the liver reduce fat accumulation and support its vital functions. On the other hand, a study published in BMC Complementary Medicine showed that honey contributes to improving the balance of beneficial bacteria in the intestines, which enhances digestion and strengthens immunity. The University of Athens Department of Nutrition also proved in a study published in Lipids in Health and Disease that consuming extra virgin olive oil regularly helps reduce harmful cholesterol and improve the elasticity of the arteries thanks to its specific antioxidants. When these properties are combined with honey, we get a mixture that gives the body steady natural energy thanks to the simple sugars in honey, while olive oil helps slow down the absorption of this energy, making its effect longer and more stable. Many users have already noticed improved digestion and reduced bloating and constipation with regular use of this mixture. And with the presence of strong antioxidants in both components, the body gains additional support against free radicals, which are among the most famous causes of chronic inflammation, memory weakness, and some age-related problems. These benefits are not a direct treatment, but they are part of a dietary pattern that helps enhance general health. The effect of this mixture isn't limited to the inside only. Using it topically on the skin gives it noticeable hydration. Olive oil helps protect the skin from dryness thanks to its fatty acids, while honey provides a moisturizing layer that supports skin elasticity and highlights its radiance. Many studies indicate that honey has antimicrobial properties that may help maintain skin cleanliness and reduce irritation. This mixture gives both men and women instant energy that lasts throughout the day, giving them a sense of freshness and vitality. It also helps them perform various activities efficiently and alleviates feelings of fatigue, lethargy, and psychological stress. As for the method of preparation, the process is extremely simple. 2 tablespoons of natural honey are dissolved in 100 milliliters of warm water. Then 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil are added and mixed well. Then it is left for a full night until it becomes more homogeneous. The important thing is to store the olive oil in a non-transparent container because light causes oxidation that reduces its nutritional value. The mixture can be stored in the refrigerator for more than a month without any change in its properties, as honey is naturally a preservative that prevents the spoilage of ingredients. 1 tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach is enough to give you a full day of energy, and a tablespoon can also be taken at night before sleep. Just make sure to choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil and natural, unpasteurized honey to obtain real nutritional value. That was all we had. If you like the content, don't forget to support us with a like, share the video with your friends, and leave your opinions and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching.